The second thing, I have just signed a request to the Justice Secretary, copy furnished the Bureau of Immigration, for a request for a lookout order for these individuals listed here. And I will enumerate. Okay, I will enumerate. The lookout order that I have requested, the DOJ and the Bureau of Immigration are on OIC Assistant Regional Director Henry C. Alcantara, OIC District Engineer Bryce Erickson B. Hernandez, OIC Assistant District Engineer JP Mendoza, Engineer Ernesto C. Galang, Planning and Design Section, that will be DPWH. Engineer John Michael E. Ramos, Construction Section. Engineer Norberto L. Santos, Quality Assurance and Hydrology Section. Engineer Jaime R. Hernandez, Maintenance Section. Florarin Y. Simbulan, Administrative Section. Juanito C. Mendoza, Finance Section. Engineer Benedict J. Matawaran, Procurement Unit. Mr. Alex H. Abidillo, President, Legacy Construction Corporation. Ms. Cesara C. Discaya and Pacifico F. Discaya, President and AMO, respectively, Alpha and Omega General Contractor and Development Corporation. Ms. Maria Roma Anjigin D. Armando, Owner and Manager, St. Timothy Construction Corporation. Mr. Alan B. Kirante, Owner, Proprietor, QM Builders. Mr. Ernie G. Bagao, Owner, Proprietor, EGB Construction Corporation. Mr. Yumir S. Villanueva, President, Top Notch Catalyst Builders, Inc. Ms. Aderma Angie D. Alcazar, President, CEO, SunWest Incorporated. Mr. Edgar S. Acosta, President, High Tone Construction and Development Corporation. Mr. Wilfredo N. Natividad, Owner, General Manager, 888 Construction and Supply, Inc. Mr. Romeo C. Miranda, President, AMO, Royal Crown Monarch Construction and Supplies Corp. Mr. Alan V. Arevalo, General Manager, Wow Builders. Ms. Marjorie O. Samidan, Authorized Managing Officer, MG Samidan Construction. Mr. Luistro R. Tiki, President, LR Tiki Builders, Inc. And Mr. Ryan Wiggy D. Uy, Proprietor, Road Edge Trading and Development Services. I would like to thank the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee and the House committees because we base this list on their ongoing investigation. So, kung sino yung mga inimbitahan, sinumpina, ito ang pinagbasehan natin. Hindi ito final na listahan. Kung may kinakailangan pang ipa-request ng lookout order sa mga susunod na araw at susunod na linggo, magdadagdag kami dito sa listahan ito. But we will be giving copies to the media, but this has already been sent to the Secretary of Justice and to Commissioner Joel Viado of the Bureau of Immigration. So, this is all part of the President's directives to hold people to account and to make sure that the department is cleansed from these people who have unfortunately not taken care of the people's money. So, those are my two announcements.